Hello people and welcome back to DashCam channel, a channel that has some of the most craziest and epic road moments scored on drivers' dashcams. And we'll start today's episode off with a crazy bus driver who was overtaken over a double solid yellow line, and he even ran a red light.
Really?
In this video you will see that even if you have a green light, it's definitely not safe to cross the road before looking.
In the far corner.
Rude and careless semi-truck driver completely ignored his colleague on the road as he cut right in front of him, simply because he wanted to take the exit. Even though his view was completely blocked, this crazy driver still pulled out at the parking lot without bothering to look if it's safe.
There's one, hope I don't get hit. He just ran up over the curb to get around. Oh boy. Jeez.
I don't know anything about all this. Come on in. Are you as hot as I am? All right, let's go play with some. Okay, I want to see it all.
In this situation, we have a camera who was simply minding his own business and enjoying a nice ride. But apparently, a van driver had an issue with that and he dangerously passed him, and he even started brake checking him.
Another one illegal.
So this car right here. Right, look, oh, and at least he's signaling. Let's see, we got another one. This one right here. Yeah, another one right here. This Toyota. Right here. Ready? He's gonna go ahead of that one. Any more, I tell you. You already know. You know which ones are gonna do it.
Pay close attention at the rude driver in a pickup that's behind the biker. He was road raging with another vehicle, and because of his foolishness, he decided to pull a stunt like this. He cut right in front of the biker and brake checked him, for no reason. Driver in front of the camera had a green light, but it took him a while to realize it and move on.
They are wrong.
Yeah, I agree.
And acting crazy is not
It's not
opening
helping,
doors.
right?
When how is Bianca gonna feel that you reconciled and accepted Queen's apology?
I think that she is gonna be very upset.
Up here, and when Albertsons came in and bought it, they left it as coffee.
It was like they left Safeway in Colorado. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Latouche Street.
It's gonna make my Jesus Christ. Let him pay the guarantee.
Well, he definitely. Whoa.
It was really hot outside, and the camera noticed a pedestrian walking all alone by himself in the middle of the road, so he decided to pull over and offer him a free ride.
Yeah, go for it, go for it.
Love people like you.
Yeah, go for it, brother.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, don't worry. Nah, it's hot, man. Can we walk? Okay, now we walking here.
That's what's up, brother. Yeah, just this white Honda right here.
Ah, nice, man. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's happened to me before. But my other car, the little thingy doesn't work, so I'm always just winging it.
Take care of everybody, and I forget to take care of I'm a contractor, so all day I'm fucking running around.
Minivan driver was not quite satisfied with the speed limit here, so he decided to act a bit better than the rest of the traffic. As he sped off, he thought he could get away with it, but unfortunately for him, a karma cop was waiting ahead of the road. And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on DashCam channel. Hopefully you guys managed to enjoy and learn something of true value out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button, because that would really mean a lot to us. Also, while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.